Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another review come first impression. Today I'm going to review in front of you the Skin Kiss highlighters by Makeup Revolution. If you have already read my title of the video, so you already know what I'm going to talk about. So I bought these highlighters from Nykaa.com and these highlighters are going to cost you for 850 rupees. But wait for a good discount. Nykaa generally ends up coming with good discounts. You will end up getting the highlighter for lowest 638 rupees. I picked up for that was flat 25% off. Now this is how the highlighter looks like, and this is how the old packaging of the highlighters look like. Now let me just take out the highlighter from this so that we can talk further. Now it's a proper holographic packaging. It's very reflective, so I'm going to keep it a little down because it really gives a reflect on my face. So this is like the old packaging, and I will talk about the new packaging also. Now initially Skin Kiss highlighters were launched in 3 shades. That was Peach Kiss, Ice Kiss and Golden Kiss. So I picked up Peach Kiss and Golden Kiss. I didn't pick the Ice Kiss shade because Makeup Revolution recently launched another 8 shades. So I went ahead and ordered the other shades from an Instagram page called the Beauty Lounge India. So you can go ahead and buy your Makeup Revolution stuff from her. She's really good. Not a sponsored video, I'm just telling you for your info. Now here you get total amount of product 14 grams, and the product is going to last you 3 years. Now let's get into the actual packaging of the product. This is how the old packaging of the highlighter is. It's proper rose gold packaging and some basic details are mentioned behind the palette, and it comes with its own mirror. So this is how the highlighter looks like. Now this is the shade Golden Kiss, and you get a big huge mirror out here. So this is how the old packaging is. Let's get into the new packaging. Now Makeup Revolution changed the packaging. So this is how the new packaging is. This is the shade Peach Kiss, and the basic details are mentioned behind, and a normal expiry manufacturing is mentioned on this white paper. And then you open it, and this is how the highlighter is. Now yes, definitely the packaging is way different, and you're not getting a mirror here. Still you're paying 850 for this and 850 for this. So yes, definitely I felt 850 is better for this because I'm getting a very nice classy packaging. But here you can see the highlighters. Like if you end up having 4 to 5 different highlighters in the same range, then this is the better packaging, because here then you have to look around, look behind, and then pick up your shade. So but I personally like this packaging because yes, I just like it. That's everybody's different preferences, but I really like this packaging. Now these highlighters are like proper Skin Kiss highlighters. Now what does Skin Kiss highlighters by Makeup Revolution means? It's like basically giving you a very Skin Kiss look, more of a wet look kind of a thing, and the finish of the highlighter is very mild. Like it's not chunky. It's not that highlighters when you open the pan and you see highlighter all over the pan. It's not that kind of a highlighter. It's very hard pressed and very soft in texture, I would say. So this is the shade Golden Kiss, and this is the shade Peach Kiss. Now both the shades are pretty different from each other, and I was really interested in the shade Peach Kiss because it was calling my name, and I've heard when initially it was launched, Peach Kiss was the most raved about shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply one here and one here, and we'll see which highlighter works how. So what I'm going to do is take a fan brush. I'm taking a big fat fan brush, and I'm going to take this shade Golden Kiss, and let's apply on this portion of the face, and let's see how it is. So okay, yeah, it is a little blinding. It is not very intense because I didn't take too much of a product, so it's a very good intensity product. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to change the brush because I'm not comfortable with the fan brush. I'm going to intensify the highlighter, take it a little above, take it on my brow bone. Okay, that's cool. This is Golden Kiss. It's really nice. I like it. And you can build it up to like very intense. I'm just building it up more just to show you that it can go way ahead of your thinking. It's really nice, as you can see. Next, let's keep this away and use Peach Kiss on this side, and let's see how it is going to work out. So I'm going to dust off the brush, and I'm going to take the same kind of a brush because I'm not very comfortable with the fan brush. It picks up good amount of product, but it's very mild, so you don't have to worry. Okay, this is like a very much blinding highlighter, I would say. It's a very soft highlighter on the face. On the camera it's picking up too much. I feel during the editing only I'll come to know. This is Peach Kiss and this is Golden Kiss. So you can see it gives a little golden flecks on the face, and this is like more of a blending thing. It just blended into my skin because the shade is very different, definitely. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my nose. Oh, that's nice. I generally don't apply highlighter on my nose, but I really like the consistency of this one. The one I'm using on my nose was Peach Kiss. Let me use a little bit of Golden Kiss on this area and my Cupid's bow. That's really subtle. Oh, I quite like both the highlighters, but if you personally ask me, I like Peach Kiss, but I'm very confused, but I like both. So does this give me any texture? Let's see that. No, it doesn't give me any texture. If you see, it is not giving me any texture. You can see very clearly. I'm just coming near to my camera just to pick it up clearly. You can see the Golden Kiss is more of a, it has a little golden flecks, or it doesn't have a flex, I would say. I'll just give you a hand swatch if you want. This is how it is. It doesn't have any golden flecks. It's more of a very mild highlighting powder. And I'm just going to give you a hand swatch of Peach Kiss also. See, I just rubbed my hand, but nothing will fall off from the pan, so it's pressed really hard. This is how the Peach Kiss is. So both the shades are really mild if you see, but you can build it up to higher intensity. So do I recommend these highlighters? Definitely. Why not? What is wrong with this? So go ahead and buy. So I would recommend the fairer skin people can go for Ice Kiss also, but people who are of my skin tone and darker than me can go for Peach Kiss and Golden Kiss blindly. For the fairer skin people, I think the yellow tones to this will show up a little bit on the face, but both the highlighters are like, I loved it. So I'm really happy that another 2 shades of them are coming. I couldn't wait to review this because I wanted to show you how I feel about the highlighters. It's really good. My face is looking really nice. So it's really good. So I hope you love the review, girls. And one of the best highlighters, you can go ahead and pick it up. $8.50. I feel it's one of the best price you can go for because you're getting a huge pan. Definitely you'll not be able to use the whole pan so quickly, but for 3 years it's a good amount of pan. And I really love the texture of this highlighter. Like, if I had to really compare it with this highlighter with any other highlighter, I would really recommend you, or I could compare this highlighter to very good high-end highlighters also. So if you cannot go for high-end highlighters, you can definitely go for this highlighter. It's really worth every penny you pay. So hats off Makeup Revolution, good highlighters. I really love it. So girls, I hope you loved the review. Please give a thumbs up, stay tuned on my channel, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. So girls, take care and bye bye.